Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Ford F-150 STX Super Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z7944A. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, sunset metallic in color. This F-150 seat 6 with a cloth interior. Very clean as you can see. Soft roll-up tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Trailering package. Free of dents or dings. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. Swing out doors on both sides of the truck, of course. This STX has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 22,000 miles. Steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the under the hood. This F-150 has a 5-liter V8, 360 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 19 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this F-150, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.